In this video, we will see conversion of number system. First, we are doing binary to decimal conversion. Consider a binary number 1101. This is 4-bit number. The leftmost bit is known as most significant bit, and the rightmost bit is known as least significant bit. Now, numbering will be started from right hand side to left hand side, and it will it will be started from 0 and incremented by 1. So, after giving the numbering, we will multiply the position value of that binary bit with that bit. The position value of the position value of most significant bit is 2 to the power 3. Now we multiply the binary bit uh, with its position value, that is 1 into 2 to the power 3. In such a way, we will multiply all the bit with their position value and add all the numbers. So the next step will be 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. After calculating the equation, we will get 13. So this is the decimal value of that binary number 1101. In such a way, you can convert any binary number to its decimal number. Now we will convert decimal to binary. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, divide the decimal number by 2 and the successive quotients by 2. The successive remainder, which can only be 0 or 1, written in the reverse order, form the equivalent binary number. Suppose we are taking 13 as a decimal number. Now we convert this decimal number into a binary number. To converting this number, we will divide 13 with 2. After dividing 13 with 2, we will get the quotient value is 6. Now remainder value is 1. We will write the remainder value here, and again we divide 6 with 2. In such a way, we will continuing to dividing the successive quotient until it will become 1 or 0. After getting the quotient value is 1, we stop the quotient value. After getting the quotient value is 1, we write the number in reverse order, that is 1101. So here we get the binary value of that decimal number, that is 1101. In such a way, we can convert any decimal number into a binary number. Now we will convert octal number system, octal to decimal. Now we will convert octal to decimal number. In octal number system, octal means 8. So base or radix is 8. The digit of the octal number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The positional values in octal system are 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, etc. From right hand side to left hand side. Octal to decimal conversion. Consider a octal number. Suppose there is 56. This is 2-digit number. The leftmost bit is known as most significant bit and rightmost bit is known as least significant bit. Now we are giving the numbering from right hand side to left hand side, and numbering will be started from 0 and it will incremented by 1. So after giving the numbering, we multiply with the multiply the digit with its position value. So we will multiply 5 with its position value, that is 8 to the power 1 plus 6 into 8 to the power 0. After writing it, we will calculating the value, that is after calculating the value, we will get 46. 46 is the decimal number of that octal number. In such a way, we can convert any octal number into a decimal number. Decimal to octal conversion. To convert a decimal number into a octal number, divide the decimal number by 8 and the successive quotient by 8. The successive remainder, which can only be 0 to 7, written in the reverse order, from the equivalent octal number. Now we understand with an example. Suppose 46 is a decimal number. Now we convert this decimal number into a octal number. so that we divide 46 with 8. After dividing 46, we will get 5 as a quotient value. 5 is less than 8, so we will not divide it again. After getting 5, we will write the number in reverse order, that is 5. And after dividing 46 with 8, we will get the remainder value is 6. So and quotient value is 5. So we will stop it here, and after doing it, we will write it in reverse order, that is 5 6. So 5 6 is the octal value of that decimal number, that is 46. In such a way, we can convert any decimal number into a octal number. Hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, hexadecimal means 16. So base or radix is 16. The digit of the hexadecimal number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to F, whose decimal equivalents are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. The positional values in hexadecimal systems are 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2, etc. from right hand side to left hand side. Hexadecimal to now we will see conversion of hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Consider a hexadecimal number, suppose A5. This is 2-digit number. The leftmost bit is known as the most significant digit, and the rightmost digit is known as the significant digit. Now we multiply the digits with this positional value. So we give the numbering of A5. The numbering will be started from right hand side to left hand side. So and it will numbering will be incremented by 1. So numbering of 5 is 0 and numbering of A is 1. So now we multiply with multiply the digits with this positional value. Now we multiply A with this positional value, that is 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0. Power of any number 0. Any number power is 0 is equal to 1. So A into 16 plus 5 into 1. So value of A in hexadecimal is 10. So 10 into 16 plus 5 into 1. After calculating the equation, we will get 165. This is the decimal value of that hexadecimal number. In such a way, we can convert any hexadecimal number into a decimal number. Now we will see how to convert decimal number to a hexadecimal number. To convert a decimal number into a hexadecimal number, we will follow the same procedure. Divide the decimal number by 16 and the successive quotient by 16, and the successive remainder, which can be only 0 to 15, or you can say 0 to F, written in the reverse order from the equivalent hexadecimal number. Let us one example of converting from decimal to hexadecimal number. Here we take 2652 as a decimal number. Now we divide this 2652 with 16. After dividing 2652 with 16, we will get 165 as a quotient value, and remainder is 12. Now we again divide 165 with 16. After dividing, you will get 10 as a quotient value and 5 as the remainder value. So here we will get 10 which is less than 16. So we will stop here and write the digits in reverse order, that is 10 5 12. But in decimal number system, the value of 10 is A, and value of 12 is C. So we will write A 5C. So hexadecimal value of 2652 is A56. In such a way, we can convert any decimal number into a hexadecimal number.